If you drive regularly, one of the smartest things you can install in your car is a dash cam because accidents can happen anytime, and when they do, it often becomes your word against someone else's. And later in this video, I'll also explain why this might actually be a great dash cam to start with if you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a more expensive setup. Today, we're taking a look at the 70mai A800SE, a smart dash cam capable of recording in true 4K Ultra HD while also capturing footage from both the front and rear of the vehicle. Aside from high-resolution recording, it also comes with useful features like night vision, parking surveillance mode, voice commands, driver assistance alerts, and fast Wi-Fi connectivity. So in this video, we'll do a quick unboxing, check out what's included in the box, and talk about the features that make this dashcam a solid option if you're planning to install one in your car. Let's start with the unboxing and see what you actually get inside the package. A small folder that contains several things you'll need during installation. Inside are the user manuals, electrostatic films, and extra adhesive mounts for both the front and rear cameras. Inside the box itself, you'll find the front camera, which is the main unit of the dashcam. It comes with a 3-inch display and 4 physical buttons underneath that allow you to navigate the settings, review footage, or switch camera views directly on the device. You also get the rear camera, which records footage from behind the vehicle. The box also includes power cables, a USB car charger, and a prying tool which helps tuck the wires neatly along the car's interior panels during installation. Some bundles also include an OBD hardwire kit. In our case, we didn't receive one because my husband's previous 70mai T800 dashcam already has a 4G hardwire kit installed, so we're just using that setup. So depending on the bundle you choose, your package may include slightly different accessories. Now let's talk about the most important feature of the dashcam: video quality. The 70mai A800SE records in true 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second using the front camera. This higher resolution allows the camera to capture clearer details like license plates, road signs, and surrounding vehicles, which can be extremely important if you ever need to review footage after an incident. The system also supports dual recording, meaning it records both the front and rear of the vehicle at the same time. The rear camera captures footage in 1080p, which is still more than enough to document what happens behind the car. Another thing worth mentioning is that this dashcam supports micro SD cards up to 512 gig. That means you can store a lot more driving footage before older clips get overwritten through loop recording. One thing I didn't expect when we started using dash cams is how useful they can be even outside of accidents. For example, during one of our recent drives, we passed by a gas station that we thought might be useful for a future trip. Instead of trying to remember exactly where it was, we simply reviewed the dashcam footage later. Because the footage is recorded in 4K, it was easy to clearly see the location again and save it as a reference point for future travel. It's a small example, but it shows how dashcam recordings can also help you remember locations, landmarks, and routes from previous drives. Aside from recording footage, the A800SE also includes several smart features designed to make driving safer. One of these is HDR and super night vision, which helps improve recording clarity when driving at night or in low light environments. This helps balance bright headlights and darker areas so your footage stays clear even when visibility isn't ideal. It also includes a 24-hour parking surveillance. If the car is parked and the system detects an impact through its built-in G sensor, the camera will automatically start recording and lock the footage so it won't be overwritten. This can be very useful if someone accidentally bumps into your vehicle while it's parked. Another interesting feature of the A800SE is its ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance System. This includes alerts like lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and pedestrian or cyclist detection. For newer cars, these features may already be built in. But in our case, my husband is currently driving a 2019 SUV that doesn't come with ADAS. So having these extra alerts from the dashcam is actually a nice bonus. It basically adds an extra extra layer of awareness while driving. Another feature that I find really convenient is voice command control. Instead of pressing buttons while driving, you can simply use voice commands to control the dashcam.
Take photo. Record video. Turn off audio.
Because it uses Wi-Fi 6, transferring videos from the dashcam to the phone is much faster compared to older dashcams that rely on slower wireless connections. Before we wrap things up, I also want to mention that my husband has actually used several dashcams from 70mai over the years. He previously owned the 70mai T800 and more recently the A810S. So we've had quite a bit of experience using their dashcams and their mobile app. And based on that experience, we can honestly say that the A800SE is really good starting point if you're planning to install your first dashcam. Not everyone wants to spend $300 or even $130 on a high-end dashcam right away. But the important thing is simply having a dashcam in your car, because when something happens on the road, having video footage make a huge difference. So if you're just starting out and looking for something reliable without spending too much, the A800 SE is a great way to start. And honestly, once you start using a dash cam, you'll probably never want to drive without one again. Overall, the 70mai A800 SE packs a lot of useful features into a compact dash cam. If you're interested in getting one for your car, we'll include links in the description box below, and we'll also add them in the pinned comments so you can easily find where to buy it. And as always, drive safe and never travel without a dash cam.